outside?
No. I was about to record, put it on YouTube. And start a little channel.
The thing is, though, this shit not the money.
Hit the subscribe button. You need some subscribers. Hey, what'd you say this one was? 660? Okay. 660. This one is. Forgot what that one was. Put some little video, pictures up of my shit. Put some great video on this one. Doing that when I was pushing this button. I put it back on and see it good. So it was supposed to turn over on lightning.
Alright, let's do it. How's it turn over?
Because it's off the starter.